Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to talk about some crucial words that we can use instead of every time saying very happy, very sad, very interesting. So how we can overcome these kinds of problem to sound more like a native speaker. So without any delay, let's diversify our vocabulary. First, let's talk about very happy. So instead of saying very happy, you can use ecstatic. Ecstatic means very happy or extremely happy. Some examples: she was ecstatic when she finally graduated from college. She felt ecstatic when she got the first position. You can also use this idiomatic phrase on cloud nine. It also means extremely or very happy. Example: he was on cloud nine when he got his dream job. Delighted. You can also use delighted. It means very happy or very satisfied. Some examples: I was delighted when I bought my favorite ice cream. My friends were delighted when I helped them with their homework. Now let's talk about very sad. So instead of saying very sad, you can use miserable. Miserable means very or extremely sad. Example: he was miserable when he lost his job. If you want to intensify miserable, so you can also use he was totally miserable when he lost his job. Similarly, you can also say he was completely miserable when he lost his job. Heartbroken. This means feeling deeply sad or disappointed. This word would be suitable in such cases if you want to show sadness in relationships. Some examples: she was heartbroken when her boyfriend broke up with her. He was heartbroken when his father passed away. Now let's talk about very tired. So instead of saying very tired, you can say exhausted. It means extremely or very tired, either mentally or physically. Some examples: I was exhausted after running for 20 minutes. He was completely exhausted after a long day. So, if you want to intensify exhausted, so you can use completely and totally before using exhausted. And here I use after a long day. So, a long day means a busy day, a very busy day, very angry. So instead of saying very angry, we have some more words like furious. It means very angry or extremely angry. Example: the boyfriend got furious after looking his girlfriend with a stranger. So in the same manner, you can also use mad. It also means very angry. Example: I got mad when my brother broke my cricket bat. Very difficult. What we can use instead of using very difficult? Well, we can use challenging. Challenging also means very difficult. Some examples: it is challenging to become a programmer. Well, learning English language is challenging. Well, one more word about very difficult. You want to know? Okay, so that is demanding. So demanding means very difficult or extremely difficult. Some example: learning about programming is a demanding process. Well, physics is a demanding subject. Very easy. So for that we have a piece of cake expression. Well, this is an idiomatic expression. So if you are my previous subscriber, you must know about this expression. So it means very easy, something that is very easy. Some example: she found a math question to be a piece of cake. Learning about anything on YouTube is a piece of cake. Very important. Very important. So what we can use instead of saying very important? So well, we have some words like essential. It means very important or something that is necessary. Some examples: food, water, and air are essential for survival. It is essential to practice English speaking every day to become a fluent English speaker. And that is true. You can also use crucial. It also means very important or something that is necessary. Some examples: English grammar is crucial for writing. Weather forecast is crucial for the farmers who need to plan their planting schedule. If something is extremely important, in that case you can use vital. Some examples: I'm telling you, this chapter is vital for our paper. Great communication skills are vital for growth and success. If something is very big, so in that case you can use huge. It also means very big or large. Example: wow, this is a huge tree. Oh, the building was huge. The next word is giant. It also means very big or very large in size. Some examples: Karachi is a giant city of Pakistan. This is a giant monster. Other word that we have is enormous. It means extremely big or extremely large. Example: Burj Khalifa is such an enormous building. If you want to talk about something that is very good or extremely good, so you can use excellent. That also means very good or extremely good. Some examples: this is an excellent idea. The service at the restaurant was excellent. If you're talking about something that is very bad, so in that case you can use terrible. Some examples: the movie I watched yesterday was terrible. The service at restaurant was terrible. The next word is horrible. Similarly, you can use horrible, but in such cases like yesterday you had a dream and that was very bad, so you can say yesterday I had a horrible dream. Similarly, you can also say today I saw a horrible accident. You can also use awful. Example: there was an awful smell. I had to hold my breath. Oh, that's awful. I'm sorry to hear that. You can use this sentence when someone has lost a job or you wanna show some sympathy to the person. So yeah, that can be useful. If you wanna talk about someone who is very smart, so in that case you can use intelligent, brilliant, or genius. Some examples: she is an intelligent student. She has always something interesting to ask. I was one of the brilliant students in my class. If someone is very beautiful, especially if we talk about girls or women, so in that case we can use gorgeous. So for women and for girls we mostly use this word. Some examples: she is a gorgeous woman. I've never seen someone like her. Elena is the most gorgeous girl in the town. If you want to talk about beautiful children, so mostly we use charming. Some examples: Zoya is such a charming child. Alan is a charming kid. If you want to talk about very beautiful men and adult boys, so in that case we can use handsome and dashing. Examples: Salman is such a handsome man. John is looking dashing in his new suit. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, please give us a thumbs up and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. If you want to improve your spoken English, you want to expand your horizons, you want to be a better person in your life, you want to have self-development, personal development growth. So in such cases, you can also subscribe to our channel. So see you in another interesting lesson. Till then, stay blessed and stay inspired. Keep learning and keep growing.